All right, guys. So we finally got done. We are literally right about at our car. It's like right down there. So.
Yep. 1.5 miles total up and down the mountain.
Yeah, it was a good hike.
Yeah. It's getting hot though.
Make sure if you guys enjoy the video, make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. We'll do some more hikes and some fishing and stuff. So, until next time, peace out.
Bye.